Hello, today I will show you how to remove and then replace the power supply of a Kodak i4650 scanner. To be able to get access to the power supply, I'm going to bend the scanner to its bottom. I'll flip the bottom upward and then I'll take out the two screws at the screws that is holding the back cover to the scanner. You have to make use of a Phillips screwdriver or Torx screwdriver. So I have the Torx screwdriver with me, and I'm going to take out all the screws that is holding the black back cover to the scanner. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of videos on how to fix a whole lot of things, scanners and printers. So take out all the screws on the back of the scanner. And gently remove the back cover. And remember to keep all the screws in a safe place so that you don't get to miss them or mix them up, because we have a lot of different screws here. Now, to be able to get access to the power supply after removing the back cover, there is screws holding down the power supply. To be able to identify the power supply is that part that the port is attached to. The port where you plug your power cable is attached to. That is the power supply that we are going to be taking out. So there is another kind of screw different from the one that we removed earlier that is holding the power supply to the scanner, and I'm going to gently take them all out. And then don't forget the one at the bottom of the scanner. I'll show you. At the bottom of the scanner there are about 3 screws at the bottom of the scanner. These are the ones I'm talking about, so I'm going to take it out. Now, the reason why I want to take out this particular power supply is because it's faulty. It has an issue. I need to work on it. This particular power supply doesn't supply the right voltage to the scanner, so the scanner doesn't initialize properly the way it's supposed to initialize. So that is the reason why I'm going to be taking out the power supply for repair. Getting another power supply for this is expensive. It's expensive, and in this part of the country where we live, most of the time you can't readily get it to buy. You have to either order it, wait for a couple of weeks for you to be able to receive it, or you just repair. I think the repair is a cheaper option for me here, so I'm going to remove it. I'll repair. I'll check all the components. I know there's 1 or 2 components that is bad there, which I'm going to just replace, and everything will be fine. So this is the power supply right now. I'm going to take it out gently, and the power supply, when you get to this level, remember to remove the earth. That is this earth that is attached to a particular screw. Remove the earth and then gently detach all the cables. You have about 1 cable, this one with a white edge, and then 2 other cables that attach to the cooling fan. So what I'm removing right now is the earth. So gently remove all the screws. Remember to keep all your screws in a safe place so that you can go back and then replace them. So all the screws are out right now. You can see my power supply. So I can now take my power supply for repair. I'm going to repair it, and then I'll return it, and then everything should be fine. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and then if you have any questions on any other part of this scanner or any part of a Kodak scanner, you can just hit me up in the comment section, and then I'll do everything as much as possible to respond to you. Thank you, and see you some other time.